irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers means the numbers which cannot be written in the form of p by q. Such numbers are called irrational numbers. So the best examples for irrational numbers is root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 10, root 8, root 11. These are the best examples for irrational numbers. Let us take exercise. Show that how can you prove that root 2 is an irrational? How can you prove that root 2 is an irrational? Prove that root 2 is an irrational. Root 2 is an irrational. First, let us assume that solution. Let us assume root is a rational. Let us assume root 2 is a rational. Whenever a number is rational, it can be easily written in the form of p by q. So root 2 equal to a by b, p by q form, a by b, where b not equal to 0. Here a and b are co-primes. Here a and b are co-primes. Co-primes means their HCF must be equal to 1. Suppose 2, 3 are co-primes. How can you say that 2, 3 are co-primes? Here 2 can be written as simply 2 and 3 can be written as simply 3. So what is the what is the HCF of 2 and 3? 1 is the HCF of 2 and 3. So here 2 and 3 are co-primes. Let us take another number. 8, 6. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. What is the common number here? 2. So HCF is 2. 2 is the common factor of both 6 and 8. So HCF is 2. So here 6 and 8 are co-primes or not? They are not co-primes. If any two numbers must be co-primes, their HCF must be equal to 1. So 2 can be written as 2 into 1, 3 can be written as 3. What is the common factor here? 1. So HCF is 1. Okay. Here HCF is 2. So 6 and 8 are co-primes or not? They are not co-primes because their HCF is 2. So here 2 and 3 are co-primes because their HCF is 1. Similarly, any two prime numbers HCF is 1. So any two prime numbers are co-primes. Okay. So here a and b are co-primes where b not equal to 0. So squaring on both sides. Root 2 whole square equal to a square by b square. Square root cancel. That equals to 2 equal to a square by b square. So 2b square. So b square equal to a square by 2. Okay. So here a square is divisible by 2. So a is also divisible by 2. 4 square. 4 square value 16. 16 is easily divisible by 2. So 4 is also easily divisible by 2. In the similar way, a square is divisible by 2. A is also divisible by 2. Okay. So write down a square is divisible by 2. That is a is also divisible by a square is divisible by 2, a is also divisible by 2. Whenever a is multiplied by 2, here a can be easily replaced as a equal to 2k, because a is divisible by 2. So what is the number of a here? Multiples of 2. If any number is divisible by 2, that numerator number must be multiples of any number. Here 4 is the multiple of 2, because 4 is divisible by 2. So hence replace a equal to 2k. A equal to 2k. Next one. So place the a value equal to 2k in this equation. B square equal to 2k whole square by 2. So b square equal to 2k whole square value 4k square by 2. 2 square value 4, k square value k square. Now 2 times. B square equal to 2k square. So b square by 2 equal to k square. Here b square is also divisible by 2. So b is also divisible by 2. Here both a and b are divisible by 2. Hence what we have to assume, here a and b are co-primes. A and b are co-primes. But the HCF of co-primes is 1. But what is the HCF of b, a and b here? 2. So because of our incorrectization, the contradiction has been written. So root 2 is an irrational. Okay. Here both a and b have common factor 2. Both a and b have common factor 2. So because of our incorrectization, the contradiction has been raised. So root 2 is an irrational. Okay. Suppose here root 5 is there. Root 5. 5. A square by 5. A divisible by 5. A is also divisible by 5. So a equal to 5a. The similar way. Here both a and b have the common factor 5. The contradiction has been raised because so root is an irrational or root 5 is an irrational. Same process for multiple sums now. Is it clear, Nana? Any doubts? Most important method, Nana. Damn sure maximum 5 marks. Sorry, I don't know that. Okay? Root is an irrational. First, let us assume root is a rational number. So whenever any number is rational, it can be easily written in the form of p by q. So here p by q. What are the number system of a and b? Here a and b are co-primes. A and b are co-primes. Co-primes means their HCF must be equal to 1. That is the reason, rule number. So squaring on both sides. Here a square divided by 2. A is also divisible by 2. And so a has the factor 2. So a can be written as 2k. In the similar way, replace a value 2k here. So process similarly, b square is divisible by 2. B is also divisible by 2. Here both a and b have the common factor 2. But our assumption is both a and b are co-primes. So because of our incorrect assumption, root is an irrational number. Okay. Next one. This is the process only for singly irrational numbers now. Next one. Okay. Next one. Prove that 3 root is an irrational number. 3 root is an irrational number. Same concept, Nana. Same concept. Let us assume 3 root is a rational number. Solution. 3 root is an let 3 root is an rational number. Okay. So 3 root 2 equal to a by b, where b not equal to 0, where a and b are co-primes here, same concept. So root 2 equal to a by 3. A by 3 is in the form of rational or irrational? A by 3 is in the form of rational, but here 2 root 2 is an irrational. So irrational number is equal to rational number. So it is not possible. Hence 3 root is an irrational number because of our incorrect assumption. So some process stops now. Very simple now. In these cases, only 3 root is given. Here total 3 root is irrational number. Sorry, rational number. So 3 root equal to a by 3 same a by 3. Here a by 3 is in the form of p by 2, nothing but a by b, a by 3b. Here root is a irrational number. Is irrational number equal to rational number? No. So the process stops now. Okay? Hence because of our incorrect assumption, 3 root is an irrational number. Okay. Next one. Suppose like this sums, root 2 plus root 3. Prove that what is the value of root 2 here? Root is an irrational number. Root 3 is also an irrational number. The sum of two irrational numbers? Irrational numbers in some cases. Suppose root 2 minus root 2. Root 2 is an irrational. Again root 2 is also irrational. Subtraction of two irrational numbers also irrational. Suppose root 3 irrational, root 2 irrational. So irrational numbers minus irrational numbers, irrational numbers. Here irrational numbers minus irrational number, irrational numbers in some cases. But in this case, the answer is 0. 0 by 1 is rational number. Only in some cases, additional subtraction cases, addition of two irrational numbers may be irrational numbers or rational numbers. In the similar way, subtraction of two irrational numbers may be irrational number or rational number. Suppose consider two irrational numbers, root 2 plus root 3. Prove that these are irrational numbers. Let us assume root 2 plus root 3 is a rational number. Whenever it is rational number, it can be represented as p by q, where b not equal to 0. Here a and b are co-primes. So what we have to do is squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So root 2 plus root 3 whole square equal to a square by b square. Squaring on both sides. Which is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab, that equals to a square by b square. Square root cancel. 2 plus 3 plus 2, root 2 into root 3. 2 into 3, 6. So root 6, that equals to a square by b square. 2 plus 3 value 5 plus 2 root 6 equal to a square by b square. So simply transform the equations. 2 root 6 equal to a square by b square minus 5. Plus 5 comes to minus 5. 2 root 6 equal to, what is the LCM here? B square is the LCM. So a square minus 5 b square. B square into 5, 5b square. Next, transform the value of 2. Root 6 equal to a square minus 5b square by 2 into b square, 2b square. Here root 6 is rational number or irrational number? Root 6 rational number. Is the perfect square root or not? Root 6. Root 4. What is the value of root 4? Root 4 value is 2. Root 4 value. Root 4 value is 2. So it is a root 4 is a rational number. Root 9. root 9 3. Root 9 value is 3. So it is an rational number. So we cannot convert into rational number format. So root 5 other than the perfect square all numbers are irrational. Other than the perfect squares means 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17. Okay na? Other than the perfect squares all are irrational numbers except 1. So here root 6 is an irrational number, but here is in the form of p by q. Is irrational number equal to rational number? Is irrational number equal to rational number format? No, irrational number cannot be written in the form of p by q format. So here the contradiction has been taken because of our incorrect assumption. Okay, only 3 methods nana. Okay, because of our incorrect assumption, root 2 plus root 3 is an irrational numbers. These are the only 3 methods. Next, okay, 3 methods. First one, root 2 is an irrational number. Next one, like this nana, 3 root 2 is an irrational number. Next one, addition of 2 irrational numbers is an irrational numbers. So, are you understanding the process of root 2 nana? How can you prove that root 2 is an irrational number? Here first we have to write a by b, then after squaring on both sides, then after a square is divisible by 2, a is also divisible by 2, so replace a value by 2k in the similar way. Here what? Which is the most simplest method above the 3 sums nana? 3 root 2. Simply you have to transform the 3 into RHS side. So it can be rational format, it is an irrational format. For 2 irrational numbers, the sum of 2 irrational numbers, same process now. Squaring on both sides. So, okay. Okay. Open exercise 1.4 now. Exercise 1.4. Second sum. Root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Can we prove that? What is the procedure here? Same procedure. Root 2 plus root 3, but numbers are changes. So root 3 plus root 5, same process. Next third sum. 6 plus root 2. 6 plus root 2. How can you prove that nana 6 plus root 2? 6 plus root 2 equal to a by b. Plus 6 comes to minus 6. So LCM. So it is irrational, it is rational number. So hence the contradiction has been valid. So 6 plus root 2 is also same sum. Okay. Next root 5. Fourth sum. Root 5. Same process of how can we prove that root 2 is an irrational root 5. Next 3 plus 2 root 5. 3 plus 2 root 5. 3 plus 2 root 5 equal to a by b. Plus 3 comes to minus 3. So 2 root 5 equal to a minus 3b by b. Now root 5 is an irrational number, a minus 3b by 2b is in rational numbers. The contradiction has been taken. Okay. Same process nana. But first sum is different nana. 1 by root 2. Different means simple logic nana. One by root 2. Let us assume 1 by root 2 is a rational number, so it can be written as a by b. So reverse. Root 2 equal to b by. The same process continues in the pattern of example. Root 2. How can we prove that root 2 is an irrational number? Same process. Here but the numbers are different. Here there is root 2 equal to ab. Here root 2 equal to b by. Suppose you have to find it like this, b by a, then reverse a by b. Same process. root a equal to a by b. Copy and paste here. Next one. Okay na? Second Roman, first sum. Second Roman, first sum. This is important na. Root p plus root q is an irrational number. Root p plus root q is an irrational number. Here, where p and q are prime numbers, that is the major thing now. So let us assume root p plus root q is an rational numbers where a and p are co-primes, where b not equal to 0. These are the cases now. What we have to do is squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides. Root p plus root q whole square equal to a square by b square. So a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2 root q equal to a square by b square. Square root cancel. So b plus q equal to 2 into root p, that equal to a square by b square. Transform p and q to the RHS side. So 2 root pq equal to plus p constant minus p. Similarly minus q also constant. A square by b square minus p minus 2. 2 root pq equal to, what is the LCM here? B square. A square minus pb square, a square minus qb square. Now transform the value of 2. So root p equal to a square minus pb square minus qb square by 2 a square. Okay. So here it is in the form of irrational. It is in the form of p by q, a by b, p by q format. So the contradiction has been raised because of our incorrect assumption. Okay, Nana?